Everyone is concerned about air pollution, but sometimes we overlook a source we can easily control. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about reducing the impact of your wood-burning fireplace on the environment right after this.
Even if you're not a professional woodworker, you want to use the glue the pros use. And 3 out of 4 pro woodworkers trust Titebond as their choice. For building wood furniture or cabinets, to making picture frames or birdhouses, or just general repairs around the house, Titebond has the widest choice of glues to help with whatever project you want to tackle. Titebond, the right glue for your next project. Just ask the pros. For more information, visit Titebond.com or see them on Facebook.
A wood-burning fireplace is a great addition to a home and can be a good source of supplemental heat, but it will emit more pollutants into the air if the fire isn't built properly. To minimize wood smoke pollution from a fireplace or wood stove, here are a few tricks you can try. Try manufactured logs. They burn cleaner than wood logs and tend to last longer even if they don't have as much charm. If you do use wood, burn only dry seasoned wood. Start a small fire using softwoods and add larger hardwood logs after the fire is going. Don't burn garbage, glossy paper, or wood that has been painted or chemically treated. Remember, excessive smoke is a sign that your fire wasn't lit properly or isn't burning correctly. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.